Hi everyone, I hope you're enjoying the members area up to now. So I'm just here to introduce the passive income guide. Obviously, as you know, since the pandemic, I think a lot of people have realised that you can't just rely on one source of income anymore, and actually we need about 3 or 4 on the go to be able to fund a good life for ourselves and build a good future. So I really hope you enjoy the guide that I've brought, and let me know if you have any questions or anything. It is Zowie InHerKit on Instagram and on Facebook, and you'll be able to ask me any questions. Even if you've got any suggestions for the members area, then that would also be amazing. But yeah, in the last 2 years, I have been educating myself on all different things on how to be able to earn more money passively, which is, if you don't already know what passive means, it basically means that making money while you sleep. So it's having something running in the background of your life that can basically bring in some income over time. And sometimes it can be that you do an initial outlay of work, and then it then pays off in the long run. So over the last 2 years, I have been taught myself to invest in the stock market. I have been researching dividend stocks, which is just something that I was never taught in school at all, and that's what a lot of this is actually about, is kind of unlearning a lot of the stuff that we learned in school that was quite useless. As a hairdresser and makeup artist working in the industry, it's really hard to be able to find the time to kind of almost invest in it from the off, but obviously we have to work hard to be able to create an amazing life. So I kind of live with the motto now of work hard now and kind of play later, but that doesn't mean that you just saving for when you're kind of 60, 70 years old. It's kind of enjoying the journey, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. So this guide is more kind of a realistic approach on exactly how you can be running something in the background as well as living your everyday life.